to Ride JBI. I'm JB. Today I'm with.
What's up, guys? I'm Christian Dresser.
Today we linked up at Fox Raceway. He's been riding a 2022 Kawasaki KX450 with the stock Showa suspension. Today we linked up and we put on our JBI suspension Kawasaki Pro Fork kit along with our JBI Titanium Pro Perch upgrade. We have a set of forks we just recently finished building, and we kind of documented that process on YouTube so you could follow along us building our test forks. And today we got to link up with him and put the forks on his bike, and he could try what our pretty much best setting we have for that Showa fork is. Again, it is a motocross setting, yeah, so from here I'll let Christian kind of take over and tell you what it is.
Yeah, so for a long time, pretty much my whole life, I've ridden stock suspension. My dad was one of those dads that wanted me to more so become a better rider rather than put money into modding bikes and whatnot. So for the most part, I was on stock suspension throughout a lot of my life. And then moving out to California, got the opportunity to get invited to Red Bull Imagination for my very first time back in 2021. And I was on stock suspension there.
Wow.
And so, yeah, I was, Twitch was there, and, you know, everybody was there, and throughout the week, people started to realize I was on stock stuff. You know, I was walking around saying I'm on stock suspension, I just don't have any stickers on my forks, so people started to realize. So Twitch was like, you know, calling me stupid, saying whatever. So yeah, it was better off that I got on some stiff stuff for definitely what I'm starting to do now. And Twitch helped me out, got me some real suspension, some stiff freestyle stuff, and I really got to feel the difference between stock and, you know, freestyle stuff is very different from like moto stuff that I rode today. So it really gave me the feeling of what suspension's supposed to do when you really max it out, if that makes sense. So today I got to ride some moto stuff that JBI handed over, and before riding it, I actually went out for a moto on my stock suspension, and it was just forks. We just threw the forks on, and it was like night and day difference. I'm a very aggressive rider in terms of some of the things I do. I would like to say that I'm a smooth rider, so I make things look smoother than my bike might take it. So in a way, it was just all around smooth. For me on tracks, it was almost the perfect setup for me. I never bottomed out once, which is like my biggest pet peeve with riding tracks, is either like, you know, can't ride stiff suspension like my freestyle stuff of the track because it's basically unrideable. Yeah. And then, you know, riding stock stuff, it's like, oh, I'm like bottoming out everywhere. It's just.
And you're hitting quite a big jump today too.
Yeah, it was a big one. It's got like no landing, so it's like. I like to do that type of stuff when I'm at the track, so it definitely helped having forks on the bike. So it was a cool experience to be able to get that under my belt.
So in the meantime, we have loaned the forks over to him, and he's going to ride on them for a while, and I'm sure he'll capture some more clips and feedback and experience for you guys on what it feels like more long-term as he gets more acclimated with the forks.
Oh yeah, I'm excited. I'm stoked. I was shocked when you were like, "Yo, you want to take them for a week?" So I was like, but no, I'm stoked. I get to experience some moto suspension on the track some more and really get comfortable on it. So yeah, I appreciate that.
Cool. Yeah, you're welcome, man. I mean, we don't have a Kawasaki here, and we got test forks, so we need somebody to put time on it, and what a better guy than you. Yep. So it'll be good.
Sweet.
Well, we'll keep you guys updated as this progresses.